In this video, I will show you how to make gradient background in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on canva.com. So of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Canva. You can see I've got a blank project ready to go. Now to add a gradient background, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side, click onto elements in the toolbar, and in the search box at the top, just go ahead and type gradient. Now what you want to do once you've clicked onto gradient is you want to click onto graphics. So you can see at the top we got graphics, give that a click. And on here, you just want to scroll down the page, and a bit down the page, you're going to see some different backgrounds that we can use, gradient backgrounds. Now, the one I would recommend using is this one here. If you actually give this a click, it's going to add it to your design. And then what you can do is, of course, resize it for your background. So we can just drag this until we've got that in line with our background. And once that's in line, the reason I suggest using this particular one is because you can actually change the colors. So if you come up to the top, once we've got it selected, you can see we've got two color dots. We've got blue and purple currently selected, but we can click onto these and change it just like so to any colors we want. So we can also use at the top, we've got the color wheel here where we can add our own custom colors just like so. So that is how to make gradient background in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.